going on the channel, I know. It's my new project.
Wow.
Thank you for your support.
Alright YouTube, this is a 2007 Hyundai Tiburon. Obviously you guys can tell it needs a paint job, but that is not why it's here. Let me walk you guys over to the other side so you can see why it is here. Oh yeah, this is why it's here. This is why it is here. So I know you guys are looking at it saying, man, look at that. They need to just total this thing. True. But this car has sentimental value to the owner, and that's why she wants me to save it, and I'm going to save it. Now, let me get this car unloaded, and once I get it inside, I'll tell you guys the story. Alright YouTube, so I finally got the car inside. I told you guys I'd give you, the story of the car. So as you can tell, this car has been in a rather significant accident. Unfortunately, the owner of the car passed away. Not in the accident, but she did pass away, I believe, a week later from a heart attack. Her kids want to keep the car. They want to save the car. They want to restore the car because it was their mother's car. That is why the car is here. We're going to put a little twist on it. It's not going to be nothing crazy. They do want to keep it close to how the mother had it, just a little better, because the car was in need of a paint job anyway. So right after the accident, the car was towed to a body shop and another body shop, and they quoted them $8,000 to fix this car. $8,000 to fix it. So I got the phone call, said, listen, rather you do it. So the car was towed to me, which is what you saw in the beginning of the shop, in the video, and then I brought it to the other shop. So here we are, YouTube, and I'll give you guys another quick walk around. So this is the damage. As you can see by the hood, the clear coat is done. So the car, this is the original paint, the top of the car. And I think most of this side was original. The car had been hit before, so there are some places that have been repainted. On this side of the car was damaged on here and fixed also. They painted this side with a single stage paint, but we're gonna repaint the whole car. That's basically it. The next video, I am going to tear the car down. We're going to take off this whole side. We're going to take off the bumper, the fender, try to get that door open. We'll unmask it. I don't know if the door opens or closes. I don't really know yet. As you can see, this wheel is smashed in. So we're going to remove the wheel, see what problems lie beneath that. And yeah. So that's the next video. The next video is the tear down video. We're going to take all this stuff off and see what we're working with. All right, YouTube. So please make sure you like and subscribe so you can see the transformation of this car. We're going to try to get through it pretty quick. I guess it depends on what we find along the way. But other than that, we're going to try to get through this one pretty quick. All right, YouTube. So I'll catch you on the next one.